Ay, cellphone man ang kuwan. Mababa ang pixel.
Ito, live tayo ngayon, guys. Good morning. Ito tayo ng breakfast. First day na punta sa school si Austin today. He is very excited. Ito siya, oh. Kumakain na ng Fruit Loops.
Papa.
Oh, yan, oh.
Good morning na.
Morning.
Excited na go to school. Austin, first day. Make good there in the school, ah? Okay. Follow the instruction of the teacher, ah? Okay, Austin, thank you. Yan. Si Austin. So, ito yung hotdog. Ano to? Ano to?
Bacon.
Bacon.
Sunny side up.
Side up. Fried
Dito banda.
banana.
Come here, sa other side here.
And hotdog.
Now, here's my things.
Yung pinapakita na Austin yung material na punta sa school, oh. Okay.
School materials, no? Oh, sige na, return na din. Eat na.
So ito, lettuce, may cucumber, tomato, and then papaya. Wow.
Dami na papaya.
Yan. Binibilisan ko na i-consume kasi meron na naman next na hihinog doon. So, for tomorrow. So, kain tayo, guys. Maaga kami ngayon kasi punta kami sa school ni Austin.
School ni Austin, boy.
So, nararamdaman ko yung feeling ni Austin na punta. First day.
Siya.
First day of the class. So, halos hindi siya makatulog. And then, nag-review siya kagabi. Nagsulat siya ng pangalan niya. What is your name, Austin?
Yan, sige nga ka sa my name.
Okay. When
Start with my name.
if the teacher asks you what is your name,
Answer properly.
answer the teacher na. My name.
Austin.
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 Very good. And I'm 4. Ito to? I'm 4 years old.
4 years old. The classmates.
Say good morning, teacher and classmates.
Are you really want to go to school na? You ready? Not that like this, you have to answer.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you eat plenty so that you will not be hungry later.
Now
Kain tayo, guys. Breakfast.
Kung nagbe-breakfast pa rin yung mga viewers.
You stay inside your school, ah?
why?
Classroom.
Classroom, ah?
Why?
You learn there, no? Study there.
With your classmate.
And play?
Yeah, maybe you have some program there.
Mama and daddy will stay outside the classroom, ha?
Why?
Okay, di ba may student? Ikaw man ang student. Okay? Mag-wait me outside, okay? Outside the classroom, ha? Okay?
You go with your
Wait, hindi na wait, or remove na ang dahil
classmate. Stay with your classmate, ah?
Why?
Remove na, Austin.
There's Kuya.
Hmm.
Kuya Jet.
Ay, sa other school man si Kuya.
Oh. Oh, yeah. What other school?
There.
Where?
Naglayan. With friends.
I a big boy. And I go there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Eat na. Finish your food, okay?
And then after you kan pupo ka. Para hindi ka na magpupo sa school. They will lap you if you pupo there. You want they will lap you?
Huh?
They will lap your classmate lap you when you pupo there.
No. Fast?
Danan lang You still have time anak. Pakain pa ako ng baboy. Naipan na yung ilong niya.
Sipon kay naghahanginan na naman kagabi.
Wow. Coffee. Like? No like? Gago mahulog mo. Baka mo mabuti Gusto niya ang coffee niya.
It's not hot.
Medyo maasim ang ano? Papaya.
Bakit man?
Ha?
Hindi man.
Matamis na maasim.
Ang tamis niya
Ubus na. Wala na kang daddy.
Wala na. Sa akin. Instead.
Ako.
Meron pa konti. Hindi na lang.
Ikaw wala. Maulog ka. Sarap ng papaya. Sana 0 viewers. Hindi mo pa kinain yun.
Bakit hindi ka naman kasi kumain?
Kinain na. Handa ko na lang pagdating ko. Takpan ng kwan para hindi. Wala tayong plastic na kwan. clean wrap.
Tignan ko.
Coffee ba, Austin?
May isang viewer.
May isang viewers who is...
Good morning, viewers.
Good morning.
Good morning. Kain tayo.
Bakit hindi nag-a-appear yung kwan?
Wala man, hindi nag-appear.
Pangalan nila. Maybe weak signal. Nahina yung signal kasi foggy ngayon.
Sana lumabas ang sad mo. Kain tayo. Maaga kami ngayon.
Kung isa. Wala na sila. Sumilip lang. Bumalik. Signal siguro ito.
Siguro kasi hindi naman nag-appear yung name nila.
Yan, sana kung ganun-ganun yung diretso yung viewers na yun, ang mga nila.
Good morning.
Ay.
Kain na Austin boy.
Ito yung pagkain ni Austin, no? Fruit Loops. Yan.
Fruit Loops.
Para
And
hindi
coffee.
And coffee daw.
And
Sige na, finish mo na yung
Fruit
Fruit Loops, oh.
Kawag yun Austin boy. Kain na na. Tapos mag-milk na later, okay? Nakikita dyan ang oras, daddy, hindi. Minutes, hindi naman pala, no?
Wala. Kulang yung mga pan nito. Nine o'clock your pan, Austin. Pasok mo.
Oras na
7 na.
8:30 or 8:45, no?
8:30 mali.
9:30.
8:30 tayo alis dito. Alis kami ngayon, guys. Punta kami na ihatid si Austin sa school niya. 15 minutes away from our house.
Pagka kayo
Yung
na
school niya.
Ayun na ng TV kay.
He is excited to go to school.
Pinakita niya pagkahapon sa amin.
Yesterday they evaluate Austin and he passed the evaluation. Instead of going to K3
and K4.
K3 no, skip na yung K3 and K4, I go to K5 na on the coming school year. So for the meantime, he will be sitting on the K4 until April,
Hindi, March.
until end of March. So tignan natin kung talagang kung si Austin. And I amazed yesterday when he answered the teacher.
Amazing, baby boy.
I was surprised.
Naka-surprise
He is
talaga.
very good in answering questions.
Kasi fast learner daw, sabi ng teacher. Ng evaluator. Hachukoy!
Meron na. Okay na.
Haching! Hindi, mag-get si mama sa imong kwarto para medicine ka na. Iubos mo na your food lang ga, tapos mag-medicine na dayon.
Okay na. Huwag mo masyadong pigain yung kwan.
Kain na, kain na.
Ito yung kwan para hindi kalat. Oh.
ubos?
O, sige na.
Oh, yeah.
Wala na kang dali.
Sige na, sige na. Okay na ba? With your fruit loops. Ubusin mo yung fruit loops. No, dandan. Ay.
Dandan lang itong nga.
Oh, you push it ako.
Lili, wala pa na ikon pala mainit niya. So,
Hindi ba mainit pa yun?
wala, hindi ko siniga
Pain?
kahapon. Nakalimutan.
Nagsigayin ko man yun.
Kon ka na lang ng kon niya.
Parang mainit pa yun, hindi lang lagyan ng malamig na tubig.
Tignan mo, mainit pa.
Huwag na lang lagyan ng malamig na tubig. Sige na, Austin boy. Finish na your food kayo, mag-bat na ka.
Mag-practice ka pa ng sulat o ng...
After you take a bath.
Mag-count ka 1 to 100 daw, sabi ni teacher.
Okay.
She will ask you to count. O, alam mo na? Mag-count 1 to 100?
100.
Ay, sus Mariuse. You start from 1,
1 to 100.
Ay, not like that, Austin. Sige, daddy angry lang.
Sige na, kain na kay magligo na dayon, Austin boy.
And Batsy
Take a
Dad.
bath and put on your
And Batsy
clothes.
Daddy and Bye-bye.
And practice some more
And Batsy
writing.
Coffee. And Bat a
Sige na, huwag
coffee.
na madaldal yan.
Wah.
Austin, no,
Sa Fruit Loops. Yan, pakita nila sa Fruit Loops niya. Ubus na.
Di mo man kinain to.
Sinain ko man. Mamaya na naman ulit ay. Masarap ang kuhan o kay crunchy. Super crunchy ng cucumber.
So, see you guys on my live show. Kasi, busy kami ngayon.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ay, shouting na. Kami mag-hatid kay Austin. So, thank you for watching.